Is your home overdue for a spring cleaning? Well, if so, this message is for you. Today it's cleaning day at the Smith house, and I'm going to share some simple tactics you can make right now that will help your home stay clean and organized all year long. I'm Jeff Smith, Smitty here with the HomeSmiths Team, and we're powered by Keller Williams Realty. You know, I hate cleaning day, and the strategy that has made the biggest difference for me, or maybe two strategies. Number one, create a shared schedule that assigns a specific task or responsibility to each member of the house. You know, everybody in the family's got to pitch in here. Post it in a prominent place, like on your refrigerator, or create a shared digital calendar. Secondly here, carve out 10, 15 minutes a day for cleaning and decluttering. Set a timer on your phone and get as much as you could possibly get done, before the timer goes off. I have to time block everything during my day, and that really works for me. So, check out our blog post for more home cleaning and organization ideas. You can find a link in the caption. Then, reach out if you need referrals for housekeepers, maybe a window washer, or some other kind of home service provider. I'll do my very best to give you a good referral. Remember, we're not just here to help you buy or sell a home. We want to help you love living in it too. Okay? Thanks for stopping by for cleaning day here with the HomeSmiths team. And hopefully it'll be over soon, but thanks for having some fun with me today. I appreciate you.